सुबह सुबह 30 तारीख को मेरे को फोन करते, तब से मेरा दिमाग खराब हुआ। उसके वजह से फोन नहीं उठ रहा था। जब तू पैसे होना बोले क्या भी रेस्पॉन्स नहीं देता बोली।
Have others joined and left, or they have not joined yet? I hope I am audible to all of you.
Yes.
Yeah. So have you practiced yesterday's commands?
Yeah, Tanveer, I practiced. Some more command I missed. I think that's what I asked for video. Let me check.
So I hope whatever you have tried, that was okay, right?
Yeah, whatever I tried, that is okay. For cat and copy, move, rename the folder, creating the directory, remove directory, that I done. Along with that run level also I did for run level from 3 to 5, 5 to 3, and remaining I need to check.
So today we have planned for managing links, inode and VI editor. And as you have seen already, there is an announcement for tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So after today, we will have the next class on Monday.
Okay, got it.
So let's start for managing link files and VI editor. First of all, we will discuss about the inode. I hope the screen is visible.
Yes, visible.
Huh. So first of all, we will discuss about the inode. So what exactly is the inode? Inode is a unique number which is assigned to every files and folder which is created on Linux. So in Linux, whenever we create a file or folder, one numerical value is assigned to it for its identification, and that is called inode value. Okay. So to check inode value of any file, we can use inode, -i command. One. So here, to check the inode value, I am going to create some files, and the files which is created, how to check for it. ls space -i. So when you use this command -i, it will show the inode number. You can see the inode number can be in sequence and cannot be in sequence, depends on the condition. Like for example, if we are going to delete any file and folder, then that inode value gets free. Now the next file or folder which is created, this number will be assigned to that. Okay, so that's why. Suppose if we create a file, and yesterday I missed one command, that was touch. So touch command is used to create blank file. Touch space, suppose Kali. Okay. ls space -i. So you see here 5269, but already there is a 5287. Okay. So if anything is deleted in between, then accordingly this number will get allocated first. So with the touch, I have created a blank file. If you check what is there, there is nothing. Touch command is used to change the snap timestamp. So here you see this GUI file was created on 28th of October. I want to change the timestamp. I can use command touch space GUI. So here you see cat space GUI. Content is as it is. Only the timestamp is changed. You see. Now choose the GUI file is created or modified on this time. So this is the use of touch. Now to check the inode value, we have command ls space -i or ls space -i space file name. So we can see multiple file you can use like this. Okay. Or if you are using for the folder, then you will use command id space document desktop, sorry, documents. You see, we are able to see like this. So this is inode value. Now coming to the link file. What exactly is the link file? So link file means it's like a shortcut. So there are two type of link file. One is called hard link, another is soft link. So just think about the scenario where we have a file and we want to keep it somewhere else as a backup. So to keep it somewhere as a backup, what we need to do? We have to copy it or take the backup and keep it somewhere. Now again, I have changed. I've done some changes. So again, I have to take the backup or copy it and keep it there. Instead, I want the file to be stored in two different locations and be in the sync. For that, we use hard link. Okay. So hard link, inode value will be same for both main file and the link file. If main file is deleted, we can recover the data from the link file. Another is soft link. Soft link is directly equivalent to shortcut. So if the main file is deleted, you cannot access the data through shortcut. And for the soft link, the inode values are different for both main file and link file. Let us see the same. We have a file joy here. ln is the command. Joy space enjoy. You see, we have the data here same. If I am going to add anything, any side or remove anything, now if you use joy, cat space joy, you see, it's added. Okay. Another thing, ls space minus I space joy space enjoy. You see, inode value for both is same. If I delete the main file, rms space minus f joy and try to access the data from the link file, yes, we are able to. So this is hard link. Now the next is soft link. So we have the data, we have a file here, Kali. So let us write some data inside it. Cat space greater than Kali. It is a type of the next space. It is used for some testing. Okay. Now cat space Kali, we have some data. So I'm going to create the link file, short link, ln space minus s, main file Kali. Link file can be like Hari. Now cat space Hari. Data we have. Similarly, if I add anything or remove anything in this file, check it in the Kali file, it's been added. Now if we delete, first we will see the inode. You see the inode values are different and you can see they are in the sequence also. Now if we use ls space minus il space Kali space Hari to see the extra information along with the inode, or instead I don't want inode, only the extra information. You see, it is showing that this is a link file. L stands for link, hyphen for regular file, and showing that Hari is the link file of Kali. Now, if I delete the file Kali and try to access the data with Hari, you see no such file and directory. But if you check the same, so this Kali not found because it's deleted, but Hari file is there and it is showing as a red, that the main file is missing. Okay. I hope this link file is clear. Any questions? Is it clear this creating and managing link file? Okay. Now moving to the next, that is VI editor. Okay. So what exactly is the VI editor? So VI stands for Visual Editor or Vim. There is a improved version of VI that is called Vim. So VI improved. And the graphical version of Vim is known as GVim. So nowadays we are using Vim, and in the OS there is a Vim. But when we type BI, it also opens Vim. The alias is created something like that. But what we access, whether you type VI or Vim, it will always open Vim because the alias is created for Vim as a VI. Next is the graphical. For this, we need to install the package Vim -X11. That is the package. So when we will see how to install the package or feature in the Linux, then we will see this graphical version also. So this VI editor is what? It is a powerful text editor in Linux, and it was also available in the Unix, and still it is there. So all Unix and Linux OS, we have the text editor. Here we have three main modes. Like when we talk about a car. So in the car, there is a gearbox. So you know there is a one thing called neutral gear. So command mode is similar to the neutral gear. So when you start the car, you will be in the neutral gear. Similarly, here this is also in the neutral. When you open the VI editor, it will be in the command mode. So in this mode, we can move cursor, cut, copy, paste, change the modes. Next is insert mode. Means from command mode, you have to go to insert mode, like gear number 1, 2, 3, you shift. And again, you come back to the neutral to change to another also. So command mode is like a central mode here. So you will go in the insert mode where you can add, modify the text. Then again, you will press escape to come back to the command mode. Again, from there, if you want to go in any other mode, like EX mode, exit mode. So in this mode, we can do save and exit. Okay. So escape to exit from the current mode. And if you want to ensure that you are in command mode, just press 2 times escape button. Now to open VI editor, we have command vim or VI space file name. VI space, suppose I have a file joy. I don't think it is there. It's not there. Okay, let it be. A small I to go in the insert mode. Before that, if you see, now I'm in a command mode. When I press a small I, I'm in the insert mode. How we identify? Here it is written insert. I have learned Linux very long back, almost 20 years back. Like to use Linux operating system. Like this, you write something. Now you press escape. So you are again in command mode. Colon. When you press colon, then the EX mode starts. Then W to save, Q to exit. W. Again, we want to go inside. You go. So you see, we are in the command mode. In the command mode, what you can do is you can scroll your cursor, you move here and there, but you cannot modify the text. To modify, you have to go in the insert mode. Now there are some commands which you can use in the insert mode. Like for example, here I to go in the insert mode, that we know very well, a small I. Now you see the cursor is blinking here in the first line. I want to take the cursor in the last of the line. Okay, I'm in command mode. And to add something in the last of the line, I will use capital A. You see my cursor jump to the last end of the line, and it is in insert mode also. Okay. Now press escape. I want to jump to the beginning of the line, capital I. You see, beginning of the line and in the insert mode also. Escape. Now I want to add a line below the current cursor position, a small o, you see. I want to add above, capital O. So now these are the things which we can do. Apart from this, if you see in the saving mode or EX mode, we have W if you just want to save. Save and exit WQ. If you want to exit without saving, like how I have done changes, but I don't want to save, colon Q, sign of exclamation. Okay. If you want open, read, and now you want to simply exit, colon Q, enter. Okay. And sometime we need to do it forcefully. Then we use colon WQ, sign of exclamation. Okay. So I hope till here things are clear, or do you have any questions? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, no, it's audible, but your screen is not showing proper.
I asked earlier also, so you should say na that your screen is not visible.
Okay.
So is it visible?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Earlier it was not visible for all.
No, sir,
not like that.
it was
It was
visible,
there.
sir.
It was visible, sir.
Okay, fine. So I hope till here things are clear for the VI editor, that how we can open a file in VI editor, create a file, save and exit.
Yes, sir. It's clear, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, it's clear.
Now moving to search and replace. Okay. Before we start this search and replace, we will go inside the file and we will learn first how to copy, delete and change. To copy the current line where the cursor is blinking, we have to press YY. Y stands for yank. Yank means copy. So YY. So I have copied. Now to paste, if you use a small p, it will paste below the current cursor position. A capital P above the cursor position. So you see. So like this, we can paste. Now I want to delete the line DD. You see. CC to change the line. So it will delete and take you to the insert mode. You see. Okay. Okay. Now I want to search. I'll put slash and Linux. Hit enter. You see, it's blinking. It is there. It is in the sequence. That's why it is selected. To find next, the small n. You see. Then in the reverse order, capital N. I want to search and replace. Then colon one, sorry, colon percentage S for search. What to search? I want to search Linux and replace it with Windows. Okay, global interactive. You see, it's changed. I want to change line number 1 to 5 only. So for that colon, this first command which I have used, this is for entire in the entire file. 1 comma 3. I want to change 1 to 3. Search, learn. I have learned slash You see. So what it has done? Changed line number 1 to 3. Okay. So this is search and replace.
Sir, what is mean by yank, sir? Why means?
Yank means copy.
Copy, okay.
Now here I want to undo the changes. A small u, you see undo. Redo, Control R. If you want to use visual mode means what? I want to select a specific block, a specific section of the file, a small v. Wherever I have the cursor, from there it will start selection. I want to just copy only this much. So after selection, single y. There we were using multiple. Now I'm using single. Now here I want to paste P. You see. Okay. So a small v, character oriented selection, and capital V, line oriented selection. Okay. And again, rest all this Y, D, and C is there. Now, what I want here is, I want to set line number, colon, set a space, number. You see, colon, WQ, saved. Now you again see, line number is there. It's not there. That is a temporary setting. Okay. But if you want to set it permanently, then you have to go VI tilde slash dot exrc. Okay. And here you go in the insert mode and just type set line number. Colon is not required. Escape colon WQ. Now you open any file. You see. Line number is there.
Cabinet.
Okay. You open any file like slash etc slash watch WQ. You see. Any file you open, you see there will be line number by default. But if you want to remove this setting, you have to go in the same file, dd, delete the line, colon WQ. Now you open, there is no line number. Zora, mute yourself.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, so now after this, the next is after the line number, we have text width and wrap margin. So what is the use of text width and wrap margin? Suppose I am going to create a file, vi, a new file, suppose Gopi. Before you start typing, you want to set some margin, colon, set text width. How many characters? After how many characters it should change the line? I'm saying 40 characters. So first we have to set it in the blank file. Then we have to start typing. I have done my graduation here and now staying. You see, after 40 characters, it has changed. Similar type of thing. Dot. I want to set wrap margin, colon, set wrap margin. Sorry. Equal to, suppose 30, means wrap margin is what? From the right side, you want to leave how many characters? A space. So either you will set text width or wrap margin. You see. So from right side, we have left 30 characters. So we can set any of this and line number if required. Now, if you want to learn anything more or by your own, we have command vim tutor. So it will open you like a file. See. See. Okay. Colon Q. So this is VI editor. I hope you understood these all things related to the VI editor and this one. Same thing is available there in just a minute. The PDF book which I have shared. So here in the unit or the lecture number 9 is for the same. Let's see. First is what exactly is a VI editor. Second is 3 main modes: command mode, insert, and EX mode. Then in this, what you must learn: how to open a file using Vim, how to modify in the insert mode, and how to save and exit. Then this is how to open, how to modify, how to save and exit. And this one is like if you want to move 5 character right, press number 5 and right arrow key. If you press left arrow key, then accordingly, and whatever number you give, that much character, it will move left, right, and so on. Here we have the keys. Instead of arrow keys, you can use H, J, K, L to move your cursor in the file. You want to move word by word, WB. So who is going to memorize this all? That's why I have not mentioned this all in the notepad. This is to search and replace that we have seen. This is here the details, like if you want to change line, CC, delete line, DD, copy line, YY. For the letter, C for character, L, sorry, C for change, L for letter, W for word, and so on we can use. So generally we copy or delete the lines, or either we select using the visual mode and we do copy, delete, or change. Here is for the put or the paste. Capital P is going to put below the current line and a small p above, sorry, a small p below the current line and capital P above the current line. Same like that, it is about the character. So before and after the current selected character. Undo and redo, then visual mode. This is to split the window. So it's also none of use. So I have not gone through. Then this text width, set number, and this is the tutor. So I hope till here things are clear. Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
No, sir, it is clear.
Okay, so as you have festival tomorrow, so I'm not going to cover more and more to make you overload. So celebrate your festival, and after that, whatever things we have done till today, uh, revise these things, and then in the next class on Monday, next class we will have on Monday, 4th November. Okay. Topics what we are going to have on that day. So we have done this one, finding and searching files. Next class we will have on Monday, and we will cover the topic finding and searching files, creating and managing user and group. Okay. So enjoy the festival, and after that in the weekend try to cover all these practical topics. Practice this all, and then from Monday onwards we'll move further with the topics. Okay.
Please share the recorded videos. No?
Yeah, definitely the recorded session will be
Yesterday's,
shared. I think just a minute, Kavya. I will show you where these all things are
they
there.
didn't
Just be here. I'll show you. First thing in the daytime which you have asked, the file is available here. You see, I have uploaded it. VirtualBox, this one. So it is directly exe file. So you can download it.
that
Next is about the recorded session. So you see, this is the SharePoint from where you can download it. So every
but
day,
only 2 days sessions they have uploaded. Yesterday's they didn't
so if they have not uploaded, just message them in the group. Maybe due to this festival or they are busy in other work, they forgot to upload.
who is taking that in
That yesterday's recorded
Yes.
video.
who is uploading that?
Coordinator you want to ask now. So in the introduction, they have mentioned,
Okay, who is uploading?
I think for these all things, you see, Chandran, you can coordinate to them. Okay.
Yes.
Chandran will help you for that. Okay. So you can just tag him in this group and message him.
Okay.
So whenever you don't find the recorded session, not immediately, I think after 1 hour they should upload. Then you tag him and say that please upload session and mention the date also. If they forget for which date they have to download.
Thank you.
Yeah. So anything else? Okay. Fine then. Enjoy your festival. Once again, happy Deepavali to all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.